Alright guys, what is up guys? It is me, BoyGamer51. And it's not really a gaming video. So, this is just one little moment to say that, my dog got crashed, like, about 2 days ago. And I haven't really been uploading because the first time seeing a person or a dog getting crashed. And my dog Exxon is in the hospital. So he got crashed by a car. I think it was I don't know, it was like the driver, I don't know. And I'm pretty mad. So I don't know, and we're doing a donation, but I'm not gonna donate it here because and sorry if my hair is wet because I'm just going somewhere. So yeah, but tomorrow I'm gonna pick up X and I'm gonna show you guys how he's doing because he's still in the hospital. I'm really worried. So yeah, guys. So peace.